Okay, look, I know what you're thinking. Another iPad Pro? Didn't Apple just drop the M4? And yeah, they did. But hear me out. This one, the M5 iPad Pro, it might just be the real game changer. I'm talking Tandem OLED displays, wireless charging rumors, and a performance chip that could make your MacBook jealous. This isn't just a spec bump. It's shaping up to be the most powerful iPad Apple has ever built. So if you're an artist, developer, student, or someone who just loves shiny tech, strap in. Because what we're hearing about the M5 might seriously mess with your upgrade plans. Let's start with the outside. If you are hoping for a wild new design, maybe with a folding screen or a floating hologram, sorry, not this year. But that doesn't mean Apple's playing it safe. The M5 iPad Pro will keep that same ultra-slim, almost impossibly thin design introduced with the M4, about 5.1 millimeters for the 11-inch and 5.3 millimeters for the 13-inch. That's razor thin. You still get the squared edges, symmetrical bezels, and aluminum unibody. It's sleek, it's premium, and honestly, it still looks futuristic. The buttons, Face ID, USB-C with Thunderbolt, all staying put. And nope, no sign of a glass back yet. But again, Apple's refining here, not reinventing. Alright, this is where things start to get wild. Tandem OLED. If you've never heard of it, picture two OLED panels stacked together, working as a team. What you get is insane brightness, true blacks, and power efficiency that makes mini LED cry in the corner. This thing is going to look stunning. We're expecting the same buttery 120 Hz ProMotion refresh rate and similar resolution to the M4 lineup, but with better anti-glare, richer HDR, and overall just chef's kiss levels of visual glory. Whether you're editing in LumaFusion, drawing in Procreate, or just binging Netflix, this screen is going to blow your mind. Under the hood, the M5 chip. And this isn't just a little faster. Early leaks say it's being built on a refined 3nm process, meaning it's leaner, meaner, and way more efficient. Expect boosts across CPU, GPU, and AI performance. Think faster rendering, smoother multitasking, and on-device AI that doesn't chew through your battery. Apple's also doubling down on their Apple Intelligence push, so you better believe the M5 is going to be tuned for that future. RAM? Likely 8GB for base models, 16GB for the high-end beasts. Storage? Still topping out at 2TB. Basically, it's a pro machine in a tablet body. So here's the big question. All that power, but can the software keep up? iPadOS 19 might finally answer that. Rumors say we're getting Mac-style multitasking, better external display support, and smarter window management. No more Stage Manager guesswork, real tools for real productivity. Oh, and the Apple Pencil Pro? Fully supported. That means squeeze gestures, gyroscopic controls, haptics, all the nerdy goodness. Face ID's sticking around, sorry, Touch ID fans, and Final Cut Pro might finally stop feeling like a stripped-down version. If iPadOS 19 delivers, this could finally be the iPad that replaces your laptop, for real this time. Let's be honest, if you've already got the M4, you're probably safe to sit this one out. The design's similar, and while the M5 chip will absolutely be faster, most people won't feel the difference in daily use, unless you're deep into pro workflows. But if you're on an older model, M2 or below, this is the iPad to wait for. The Tandem OLED display, the next-gen chip, iPadOS finally evolving. This combo could be something special. Expected launch, late 2025, October or November. And pricing, likely $999 for the 11-inch. $1,299 for the 13-inch. Wireless charging? Probably not. Reverse charging? Doubt it. But still, this might be the iPad of the decade. So, what do you think? Will the M5 iPad Pro live up to the hype? Or is it just another shiny toy in the Apple cycle? Is the M5 iPad Pro worth the wait? Or is it just incremental hype? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, tap subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss what's next.